How to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode on Android. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to turn off the DND on your Android device. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Do Not Disturb or the DND mode on Android is a feature that helps you minimize interruptions by silencing notifications, calls, and alerts. It allows you to focus or rest without being disturbed by your phone. So the key features on the DND are the silence notification and alerts. You can also have the customizable exceptions like you can adjust when you want to turn it on or when you want to turn it off. You can also have a schedule mode, alarms and reminder, and priority mode. For that, you first have to head over to your settings menu and now simply tap on notifications icon and then head over to do not disturb. As you can see, to turn it off, you simply have to toggle this button off, and you want to turn it off for how long, you can select that as well, and you can increase the time for 1 hour, for 2 hour, and accordingly. So I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and until I turn it off. You can also have it scheduled, so you can add what time you want to turn it on or turn it off, and you can also add exceptions like you can allow calls and messages during do not disturb or app notification of certain apps and many more like that. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.